everyone, welcome to Varuna Garden. I'm Vandana and today is another episode of unboxing. No prizes for guessing, it is hibiscus. This time it's from another seller, not all the way from West Bengal but somewhere closer to Karnataka. Vaishnavi Hibiscus Nursery. I bought a total of 7 plants. I got the package in 2 days. So let me quickly unbox this and have a look at my babies, my new babies. The unique thing about this is their packaging. Of course, the external packaging, it comes in a PVC pipe, so there is no damage at all. The ends are nicely sealed. There's also a hole over here for aeration. Can you guess what this is? Seeds! So some exotic Taiwan hibiscus seeds. This order that I placed is kind of like a huge risk because they all come in netted pots, and that is something that I'm not a fan of at all. I hate netted pots, but all the plants, they are all grafted and they are all in netted pots, and I have to transplant them immediately so they don't come in the poly bag. My potting mix contains a mixture of red soil, sand, coco peat and vermicompost, making sure that it's very well draining. I'm also adding a special consortium of microorganisms. They are nitrogen fixing, phosphorus solubilizing and potassium mobilizing microorganisms. I'm adding about 5 ml of this in 1 liter of water and applying to all the plants. I noticed that all the grafts of the 7 plants are using the cleft grafting method. Repotting done. I can't believe I've repotted the plants bought on the same day. Well, fingers crossed that they all set well in their new home. The special part about this new seller is that I got a couple of seeds too, and all of these are exotic tropical hibiscus. The only thing is all of them are unknown. Parents also unknown. I'll be sowing them soon. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this and I will see you in another video. Until then, happy gardening. Bye.